How to report a problem on People Per Hour. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can report a problem on People Per Hour. And how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your People Per Hour account. And then the second thing is for you to navigate to the message, navigate to the post or to the project where the problem occurred. So in this case, I'll be using a project as an example. So in order to navigate to the project, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and then in the drop-down menu that appears, click on Freelancer Activity. By clicking on Freelancer Activity, you'll be brought to the page where you would see two tabs, Project and Offers. Also, you have to select where exactly did the problem occur. So if it's under Project, navigate to the exact project that you have a problem with. Click on the project and then you'll see details about the project. Then amongst the options displayed, ensure you click on the reports flag or button. All right, it's usually found on the listing page of the project. That's why I asked you to click on it. And so once you found the report flag or the report button, click on it, and then you'll be asked to provide relevant details about the issues that you are reporting. So provide the details on the page displayed, click on submit, and then your report will be sent to People Per Hour's moderation team, and then the issue will be resolved as soon as possible. But if the issue is not resolved, the next thing that you can do is reach out to the customer support, submit a request, and make your concern known. So that is it. This is how simple it is. This is how easy it is for you to report a problem on People Per Hour. Thank you for watching and have a good day.